Hello everybody, welcome back to Tech Tip. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am back with another tutorial video of how you can blur video on Canva. So to get started, first of all go ahead and open up your Canva application. Now you will be brought up with the home page of Canva. Now from the appeared screen, you can see the option called mobile video. Go ahead and tap on it. Now here you can select any of the template. Now on the downside you can see the blue button. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on it, go ahead and tap on elements. So once you have searched for blur on the search box, you can see the pro written on this every sticker. You can only use that sticker if you have subscriber premium for the Canva. So now go to graphics, and here you can see other type of blur emojis or the stickers. Now select any one of them that you like. So once it's done, you are good to go, and this is how easily you can blur video on Canva. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to press the notification bell for more updates.